and welcome to another week of Washi Wednesday with Zuri. Okay, so let's pick a washi, pick our stickers, pick our markers, and let's get into it. All right, so I've decided to pick from this drawer today. Oh, such pretty washi. This is all Every Minute a Story or Subtle Dreams, which is another company that the owner of Every Minute a Story owns, but it's a slightly different vibe. These two are that, and the little cactus is really cute, and the boxes are cute. But I want to pick one of these this week, and I'm feeling like I want to have a bright Wednesday. So I'm thinking maybe one of these florals, but I don't know which one yet. Maybe let's look at some sticker choices and see which kind of vibes better. I also really like this one. In fact, I forgot that I had this one. This one's really pretty. You'll see it has like hearts and bows as the foiling. It's just like a very pretty gradient of a washi. It's so pretty. You know what? Yes, this is the washi we're going to use today. All right, so we have our washi, and I thought I would use some stickers from my Paper Doll Company collection. I really like her company. She offers stickers in so many different skin tones, and I think that's super cool. So I can see myself in my own planner, and I think that's sweet. So because we're doing floral, let's see if I have any floral that looks nice with that. Ooh, that's pretty. That's kind of florally. It's actually kind of maybe more of my vibe. It's, you know what? Y'all think that works? Oh, look at that. Look, all right, we're going with these two. So let's put, there is no rhyme or reason to where or how these are stored other than, ooh, that one's really pretty too, but I like her like chill vibe. And I think that's kind of what we're going for. And of course, we have our handy dandy sticker book. And for colors, I think maybe like one of these lavender-y, bluey kind of colors. I think like this is probably our color palette. I would like to pull in a little bit of pink, maybe. So let's go with this subset of colors and see kind of what speaks to us. We need our ruler, check, and let's get into it. All right, let's open up a blank page and get started. And this time I have a paper clip, a binder clip, paper clip, binder clip. I have a binder clip. This one is from Coffee Monster Company, but any sort of a paper clip or a binder clip or any sort of thing to just kind of help give it a little bit of weight. It helps when you're, you know, putting a washi down and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's why I did that. So here we go.